Ew. That sounds absolutely disgusting and no. Never have I ever met up with someone from a dating app. Never have I ever gotten too drunk on the first date. Or I've never said the wrong name in bed. I'm drinking a lot tonight. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be playing Never Have I Ever. I've played this game on this channel before, but I'll explain it for people who might be joining us for the first time. Never Have I Ever is a popular drinking game that is played at house parties around the world. Basically, you're a group of people and all of you will take turns getting up and saying something that you have done. It can be scandalous, it can be tame, like never have I ever gone to a concert. And if people in the crowd have gone to a concert, they take a sip of their drink. The way that I am going to be playing this game is that I have a website right here that has 75 hilarious never have I ever questions. I'm going to read them out loud, and if I have done this thing, I'm going to take a sip of wine. I have this wonderful bottle of red wine. It's called Ocean Beach, California. So let me play a little game with my YouTube fam tonight. Let me just take a sip to get the night started. Here we have a website, gohen.com, and it has 75 hilarious never have I ever questions. And they're categorized in dating, dirty, funny, crazy, and I wish you hadn't told me. Let's get started. Never have I ever gone on a date with no intention of paying for anything. I mean, not that I don't have Vex money in my bag or I don't have like the money to pay in case of anything, but yeah, I've definitely gone on date knowing that I'm not gonna pay anything. Never have I ever met up with someone from a dating app. Another sip for me. I've used Tinder, I've used Bumble. Never have I ever slept with someone on the first date. I actually haven't done this before. Never have I ever pretended to get a text to leave a date. Ooh, yeah, I've done this. Never have I ever gone on a date to make someone else jealous. No, I don't do that. Never have I ever gone on more than one date in a day. Another thing I've never done. Never have I ever talked about my ex on a first date. I've refilled my glass. Never have I dated someone over 10 years older. That was an interesting time. Oh dear love, old. Never have I ever dated over 10 years younger. Nope, I haven't done that. And it's interesting, I have reached the age where I can technically date someone 10 years younger, but I don't see myself dating someone 10 years younger because I just don't think we have the same wavelength. Never have I ever said I'd call but never bothered. Yes, I have done that. I have done that several times. To be fair, I'm forgetful. And also, if you don't make an impact, I'm not gonna bother to call you. Never have I ever dated more than one person at once. I attempted to try this when I was in my late 20s, but like, I'm not that person. Like, I couldn't do it. Never have I ever deleted a chat conversation so a date wouldn't see it. No, I've never had to do this before. Never have I ever fallen in love on the first date. You know, you've had first dates where like it feels like everything is good, but I wouldn't say falling in love. I'm not drinking. I'm not drinking. I don't think I've fallen in love on a first date. Never have I ever humiliated myself on a date. No, I haven't. When I'm out, I know how to put on a good face. When I'm at home, that I'm like a crazy homebody. Never have I ever gotten too drunk on the first date. There was a date I went on and I got myself a cocktail, but it was super strong and I got super drunk. Halfway through the date, I was just kind of like, I was wavy, but I was like able to talk and able to pull myself together. Never have I ever slept with a coworker. Nope, I've never done that. Never have I ever sent a naughty photo to someone. Moving on. Never have I ever had a one night stand. I actually do not like one night stands. I've only done one night stand. I enjoyed it, but I didn't like it. Never have I ever slept with my friend's ex. No, I've never done this before. Never have I ever had sex in a public place. Well, never have I ever had a threesome. Nope. I've never had a threesome before. Never have I ever watched porn. I'd like to be monetized on YouTube, so I'm just not gonna answer or add to that. Never have I ever used handcuffs or other implements. I like to bring toys into the bedroom, you know, things to spice up. Never have I ever faked an orgasm. I'm drinking a lot tonight. I used to fake orgasms in my early 20s, and then I realized that sex is to be enjoyed. I decided not to just be having sex with anybody that wasn't going to give me orgasms. Ladies, don't fake your orgasms. Tell him what he's doing wrong and be open and communicate. Never have I ever had a friends with benefits. I'm just gonna keep the glass in hand because the next couple of questions. Never have I ever role played. Never have I ever been walked in on while having sex. Never have I ever tried anal. I'm a don't knock it till you try kind of girl. Never have I ever sucked on someone's toes. No, I have not. Toes are not for me. Never have I ever said the wrong name in bed. No, I've never done that. Despite the fact that my brain can be a mush sometimes, I've never done that before. I've never said the wrong name in bed. Never have I ever shaved my body hair into a random shape for a laugh. No. Never have I ever eaten dog or cat food. Ew. No. Never have I ever flashed somebody. No, I haven't. Never have I ever belched the alphabet. Ew, no. Never have I ever eaten what I knew was someone else's food. You know, your brother will have food in the fridge or your mom will have food in the fridge and you know it belongs to them. But you end up eating it instead because you're hungry. Never have I ever laughed so hard I wept myself. No. Never have I ever picked out a wedgie in public. No. Never have I ever rubbed someone else's toothbrush in something other than toothpaste? No. Never have I ever kissed, dated, slept with someone and kept it a secret. No. I mean, yes, actually. Yes. Yes. Never have I ever done something so bad in public that I still cringe when I think about it. No, I haven't. Never have I ever mooned someone. No. And mooning someone means like flashing your ass to them. Never. I've never done that. Never have I ever cut my own hair. Nope. I don't cut my own hair. Never have I ever been attracted to a cartoon character. So they said cartoon, so I'm not gonna drink. But if they said anime, I'd definitely have taken a sip for that. Never have I ever accidentally set something on fire. No. Never have I ever walked in on my parents. No, 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 no. That has never happened before. Never have I ever skinny dipped. I have never skinny dipped. I want to skinny dip though. It feels like it would be so freeing and so fun to be in the water and naked, but never. Never have I ever shoplifted. No. Never have I ever joined the Mile High Club. No, I haven't. The Mile High Club means you've had sex on a plane. Never have I ever danced on a bar. I haven't. Never have I ever urinated in a swimming pool as an adult. Sometimes you just don't want to come out of the pool. And the chlorine, you know the reason why the chlorine is there is to kill off the bacteria. I know, okay? I know. But we all do it, okay? We all do it. Never have I ever been kicked out of a pub, club, bar. No, I've never been kicked out. I've been on my best behavior. Never have I ever used the gents in a club because the line for the ladies was too long. I have definitely done this before. I've done this. And it is as it says, the line is too long and no one's in the guy's room. Like, just go in quick and come out quickly. That's it. Never have I ever been arrested. I've never been arrested. Never have I ever snuck in somewhere. Yeah. Snuck in a couple of places. I definitely have. When I moved back to Lagos and I was trying to get into events and trying to network and meet people, I would go to Bella Niger, I would go to all these websites and find events that were happening and find the addresses and go to these events. So I just wanted to go out and explore and meet new people. Never have I ever partied for more than 24 hours solid. No, I have not done that. Never have I ever told my boss to fuck off. Nope. Never have I called in sick and gone to the pub. No. No, no, no. Never have I ever done a runner at a restaurant. No, I have not. I don't have the heart to do that. I just feel so bad for the staff that the money is going to come out of their salary. I absolutely cannot do that. Never have I ever done more than 120 miles per hour on the runway. I don't think I have, but then again, my mind is kind of mush right now, so I don't think so. So I'm not going to do that. No. Never have I ever stolen something. I have never stolen anything. Anything. Never stolen anything. Never have I ever quietly farted and work and left the room. No, absolutely not. I'd rather just go into the bathroom or just walk out. Never have I ever urinated in public. I absolutely hate when people do this, so I don't do it at all. Never have I ever had an accident in public. They put accident in, like, what are these things called? I think when they mean that, like, I think they mean like urinating on yourself, and no, that's never happened to me before. Never have I ever blamed a fart on a pet. Nope. I don't have friends that have pets, so usually that kind of thing doesn't happen. Never have I ever not changed my underwear for no longer than 2 days. No, I don't think I've done this before. Never have I ever had sex with more than one person in the same night. Never have I ever sneezed into my hands and then wiped it on something. Ew, no, never, never. Never have I ever not washed my hands after having a number two. Always wash my hands. Never have I ever wet the bed over the age of 18. No, I have not. Never have I ever done a sick burp and swallowed it. Ew. That sounds absolutely disgusting, and no. Ew. God, no. Never have I ever eaten something which was on the floor for over 10 seconds. Yes, I've done that before. Good food can't go to waste, please. Never have I ever bitten my toenails as an adult. I was mostly trying to test my flexibility. I was trying to see if I could actually, like, have my toenails in, like, near my mouth. I always get pedicures. I do not chew my toenails. Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush. No, 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 no. Finally, last question. Never have I ever tasted earwax. No, 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 no. No, absolutely not. And there you have it. We have played Never Have I Ever. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed learning something fun and new about me. Now that I am in this state, I need to figure out what I'm going to do with myself. Before we go, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And also don't forget to kick the notification bell. Tell me which Never Have I Ever have you done. And don't forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.